friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making spicy Sriracha Mayo. For this very easy sauce, all we need are 2 ingredients, mayo and spicy Sriracha sauce. This is it. There are lots of recipes on the internet that use additional ingredients, and of course you can add them, but the basic is very simple, so if you want something super simple, that's all you need. So for the spicy Sriracha mayo, we need half a cup of mayo. So here is half a cup. Let's add it. And now let's add Sriracha sauce. So we need 1 tablespoon. And now let's mix everything together. Perfect. And spicy Sriracha mayo is ready. And now let me tell you about the optional ingredients you can use to enhance the sauce. You can squeeze half of lime or a quarter of a lemon. And also you can add 1 clove of minced fresh garlic or 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So those would be great additions. And some people also add very finely chopped green onion. But this is an awesome sauce for dipping, and you can add it to various dishes. You're going to love it, and it's so simple. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love spicy mayo. So good. You'll love it. And of course you can adjust the level of spice. You can use more Sriracha if you'd like it more spicy, and you're going to love this easy recipe. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!